Hey guys, so today I am in Geiranger and I'm going for a hike with my friends to a viewpoint. Geiranger is a small tourist village in the western Norway. It is located at the head of the Geiranger Fjorden. The whole of Geiranger Fjord has been listed as a UNESCO World Heritage. There are two ways to get up there. One is through the main road, but it's gonna take a while, and second is going up the hiking trail. It takes about an hour, but the route is a bit strenuous. There are water filling stations where you can drink ice water. The hike up to the viewpoint is very beautiful. You will find a couple of waterfalls, camping sites, and walk through the jungle. The best time to visit Geiranger depends on what you want to do. June to August has long days and midnight sun, which makes it ideal for hiking and cycling. Seeing the aurora borealis is more complicated since the sun barely sets over the horizon, a phenomenon known as the midnight sun. But from October to March is the best time to see the northern lights, as there are more hours of darkness. I will be back in Norway in October. Hopefully I will get to see the northern lights then.